Hello guys, welcome to Dennery's vlog. What are we gonna talk about tonight in this video?
We're going to talk tonight afternoon. So you have to sleep now.
Talk tonight in the afternoon. But you mean we're gonna talk tonight about going to school tomorrow again. You want to go to school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Did Teacher Wendy missed you? Teacher Wendy missed Mommy, not Dennery's. Ouch, mayayay.
And this is the teacher.
Who missed Teacher Wendy? Is it Mommy or Dennery's?
Dennery's.
Why did Teacher Wendy miss you?
Because I give a flower.
Give her flower? La, it's Teacher's Day. What are you giving Teacher Wendy?
I had to give the present for him. Because I gave houses at him.
What are you gonna give Teacher Wendy? Are you gonna give chocolates? Because it's Teacher's Day.
Yeah, I gave it.
Can you give everything on your plastic?
It's
The ones that you kept, the everything with chocolates?
Yeah.
It's
In my box. It's in my fridge.
It's in your fridge?
It's in down there at the fridge.
Can you give everything to Teacher Wendy?
Yeah.
For Teacher's Day?
Yeah.
But I want to have 2 chocolates, please.
Yeah. Okay, Mommy.
You give 2 for me and the rest for Teacher Wendy?
Yeah. Mommy is chocolate.
Yours is chocolate too.
Yeah, the gold one. It's chocolate.
Okay.
Let's get
so,
it. Okay.
What did you say to Teacher Wendy? Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Wendy.
Happy day, Teacher Wendy.
One more. Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy
Teacher's Day, Teacher Wendy.
Let me fix the bed.